Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I found this new font today. I've already shared it on my Corel file share. It's real cool. It's under Files already under this name, and I'm not going to try to butcher this name. Evidently, it's not from the United States, and so I'm very happy that it's there and it's free. And I've already done one to talk about it. This is how you would create a pattern like around a frame. So we're going to, this is, however you pronounce that word, I'm going to have to ask somebody. This is insert characters under text. This is normally insert characters in 18 and below. But we're going to grab this and we're going to grab this. And you can see that that fits right there. So this is going to be our new corner. And I'm just going to do a couple real quick. And I also did in that last video that and I'm going to show you how to weld this. I've got my nudge factor set super low. I'm just nudging it over. It'll get it right. And for the video, that's good enough. And then for this one, you're going to Control D and make a duplicate and then rotate it and then move it to the top. And that's how you would make your corners, because this one's already designed with a corner in it. So my nudge factor setting real low. It ought to really kind of snap to it, but it doesn't. And you can always hold down the shift key, bring your nudge up a little bit faster. I've got my nudge set like on 0. But also, if you want to continue this down, in the previous video, I changed it to a certain size. Well, now this thing is 0.33344. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to check off so I get my nudge factor. And I'm going to paste that height in Control D, and then it's going to move it down there. Now it's a little bit off, so I'm going to change my nudge factor back to 0. A lot of people don't realize it really will turn to 0, but it'll still move. And there's my line right there, so I need to zoom in. And then I'm going to weld this thing together and show you how that would work. So we're done, and I'm going to left click, right click to kind of look at it and see my joints. And for the video, that's probably good enough. I could probably move this one over a hair more. Don't worry about the lines in between. And for the video, I'm going to call that good. I'm going to take the whole thing. I'm going to go to Object and convert it to a curve, and then I can weld it. And what welding did is it kind of connected it all to one piece now. Now there's really no way to fill it in if you want black, but you can change the outline to black. And you can fill in the center. And you know what? I wonder if we could try one more thing. Break the curve apart and combine it. And now we can change it to black. Nope. It's only allowing me to change those lines. But that's not entirely bad. So now let's zoom in a little bit and get the Smart Fill tool set on black. And let's just start. We can't fill that one in because that would be our next corner. But very easily, you could fill these in with the Smart Fill tool. And you could probably do this prior to making so many copies. But then you wouldn't really be able to weld it. That is a pretty cool, pretty quick in and out pattern. So go to my Facebook page. If you're not a member, join. And I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.